Hey everyone, this is Joey from the Flojoy team, and today I'll be giving you a quick tour of Flojoy Cloud. So what is Flojoy Cloud? Flojoy Cloud is an open source platform for the storage and analysis of test and measurement data. So what does that mean, right? So imagine you're a circuit board manufacturer and you're making a bunch of circuit boards. And before you ship those boards to a client, you must test them like in an automated testing pipeline, for example, to make sure, the boards is good, it turns on, and everything functions properly, right? And Flojoy Cloud is a platform for the storage, the record keeping, and analysis of all of those testing and measurement data. So in this case, I would take circuit board testing as an example, but it could really be anything else. It could be battery testing, it could be whatever you name it. So in this case, let's say I have 10 circuit board instances that I'm testing, right? So I have actually have 9 of them. So I have 9 hardware instances I registered, and those hardware goes through. In this case, we have 2 example tests that it goes through. So imagine it's like a testing pipeline, right? And you have like a series tests you test. So in this case, each testing station can correspond to one of the tests here in Flojoy Cloud. So let's say this is like one station. I'm testing if the board powers on or not. And maybe I have another station that tests measures the voltage of this board, right? So in this case, for example, this station 1, let's call it, is testing whether it powers on or not. And then here you can see all the data that's uploaded from the station 1. Oh, and now we can see clearly seems like this serial number 2 board, something is wrong with it, right? Doesn't power on. And for example, let's see the other station that's measuring the voltage to see how the voltage is going, right? So you can see all the data that's uploaded in this station. If I click into one of this, I believe I'll be able to plot a voltage measurement of this board, right? So, and we also have if I go here to the Explorer tab, you can also do a quick analysis of what is going on with all the data that you uploaded. So for example, let's take the voltage example as well. So here you can see all the voltages uploaded by like the 9 different boards I just showed you. So in this case, you can see like how all the boards are doing. So yeah, that's a pretty general idea. And in terms of how you upload the data, we provide a REST API as well as a Python client for you to upload. So as an example, I will show you so in this case, we have a Flojoy Python client, and all you have to do is to call the client.upload method and pass in your data, right? And you can also quickly pull data down from the platform. So in this case, I'll show you the same graph that I just showed you in the platform. So in this case, I'm pulling down all the voltage data, and I can quickly use, for example, to plot a quick plot to see how the voltage is going. And you can imagine the possibility is really limitless, right? You can, after you store all the data, you can do all sorts of analysis on it. Maybe you can see which component that's more subject to failure, right? You can do like an abnormality analysis on this. It's like lots of different things you can do. And yeah. And we also have a documentation side that documents all the functions you can do with Flojoy Cloud. And basically everything you can do on the GUI can be done with our Python client. And the platform itself can be deployed on AWS on-premise, and everything is totally self-hostable. And yeah, that's a quick tour of Flojoy Cloud, and I hope you like it. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us, and I'll be happy to show you more demos and customize it to your liking. Cool.